Hey guys, alright, so I'm going to do a giveaway today. I had this group of products together for sale on my Mercari and Poshmark. They did not sell, and I figured they were aging, so I'd go ahead and just put them into a giveaway. So there's 10 products and they do retail over $200. You must be publicly subscribed, have a United States address, and use the secret word in a comment below. So let's briefly go over the products. The first one is the Wax Melt, which is a gardenia tuberose scent. I do not know the price. And the next is the Chamomile Lavender Bath Salt Soak, which is in a 1.7 ounce, and I do not know the price on that as well. 8 pink satin type scrunchies retail $8. The next is a Stress Reduction Essential Card Set. It's a large deck of cards with different readings on the back for daily readings, and it does have a retail of $22. Thermale Hydrating Mist, and it has a retail of $17. All right, so this is an organic lip balm made by Beauty by Earth. Retail price unknown. Deluxe sample of the Tatcha Dewy Skin Care for Dry Skin. Retails $22. The next is an all-natural shower steamer in Tangy Harvest Orange. I couldn't find the retail price on that one as well. And the grand finale is the Byroe Eye Truffle Cream, which does have a retail of $114. Make sure you search through the video to find the secret word, because it is hidden somewhere in the video. It literally says secret word and then the secret word is under it. Please use that secret word in a sentence below. Have a USA address to have the products shipped to, and be publicly subscribed. If you do not meet all 3 qualifications, I'm just going to draw another winner before I make the video. If you do meet the qualifications, I will contact you. If I cannot contact you, I'll yell out your name somewhere on YouTube so that other people can let you know that you won. I don't ever expect the person to be constantly watching my videos to see me comment and comment your name to see that you've won. But I am going to reach out to you below the secret word that you comment under the video, and you do have 5 days to respond.